Finding the equation of a straight line giving 2 points. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the equation of any straight line giving 2 points. So let's start with the first question. Find the equation of the line joining the 2 points 2 and 3, 7 and 8. As we know that to find the equation of any straight line, we have to get two items: the gradient of this line and a point on this line. A point satisfy on the equation of this line, or a point lie on this line, or the line pass through this point. For the second point, we can see that we have 2 points. We can use any one of them. But for the first one, the gradient, how to find the gradient? We have so many methods to find the gradient. As example, it can be given direct in the question. You can say the gradient equal 3, the gradient equal -1/2, or using 2 points, as we'll see in this question, to find the gradient, or using differentiation, or using the gradient of another line which is parallel or perpendicular to this line. In this question, we'll use the method of using 2 points to find the gradient. How to find the gradient using 2 points? Using this rule, m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here these are the 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and substitute in this form: y2 equal 8 minus y1 equal 3, x2 equal 7, x1 equal 2. So it will be 5 over 5, it will be 1. So the gradient of this line equal 1. And then we can use any of the two forms: y equal mx plus c, or y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1, to write the equation, not to find the equation. To find the equation, we need the gradient, which is m, and the point. Y equal mx plus c and y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1 is just a form to write the equation. We'll put the information in one of the two forms to write the equation. Here I'll use the second form, and I choose the first point. You can choose the second point, it will be correct and we'll get the same answer. Here I'll use the first one. So y minus y1 equal 3 equal m, as we get now, equal 1, multiply x minus x1 equal 2. Expand and simplify. Y minus 3 equal 1 multiply x equal x, 1 multiply -2 equal -2. And then we have to rearrange this expression to write the equation in one of the two forms: either y equal mx plus c, or ax plus by plus c equal 0. Here I write in the first form y equal mx plus c. I'll move this part to the other side, so it will be y equal x plus 1 minus 3 will be in the other side, plus 3. Positive 3 minus 2 equal positive 1. So this is the first form. The second form, we write all parts in one side in order: first x, second y, third absolute term. So it will be y minus 3 minus x plus 2, and the other side will be 0. So we have to rearrange: negative x plus y minus 1 equal 0, and this is the second form. The second question. Find the equation of the line joining the 2 points. Here he gives points as fractions. It's okay because we will use calculator. 1/2 and 1/3. Second point, 3/4 and -2/3. It will be the same. We'll find the equation of a line. We need to find the gradient and a point. We can find the gradient using the 2 points, using this rule: x1, y1, x2, y2. write the rule y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, put each value in its place. It will be negative 2 over 3 plus, sorry, here minus 1 over 3, down it will be 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Up it will be negative 1, down it will be 1 over 4. So total it will be negative 4. In this form, y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. We'll put the information we get: gradient equal negative 4, which is m, and for the point we can choose any one, the first point or the second point. I'll use the first one. So y minus y1 equal 1 over 3 equal m negative 4 x minus x1 1 over 2. Expand and simplify. It will be y minus y 1 over 3 equal negative 4x plus 2. Negative 4 multiply negative 1 over 2 equal plus 2. And I will write it in the first form, which is y equal mx plus c, by moving this part to the other side, which is y equal negative 4x positive 2 plus 1 over 3, it will be positive 7 over 3. And this is the final answer. If you want to write it in the other form, which is ax plus by plus c equals 0, it's okay. But we can leave it like this.